Where were you on October 24th, 2022, when a giant razor floated over Gillette Stadium during a Monday Night Football game between the New England Patriots and Chicago Bears? This first-of-its-kind augmented reality experience was the result of the ongoing partnership between GPRS and the Famous Group. The 45-second segment featured a giant Gillette exfoliating bar razor materializing on the 50-yard line of Gillette Stadium as virtual fireworks illuminated the Foxborough sky. GPRS conducted a 3D laser scan of the stadium and delivered a 3D mesh model for the Famous Group to use to locate and place virtual objects in the correct camera space. Laser scanning collects millions of high-density points to provide the most accurate and detailed geometry for a variety of uses, including construction planning and, in this case, an augmented reality experience. The Famous Group used Epic Games' Unreal Engine as well as the augmented reality software Pixotape to create real-time graphics that were merged with the live broadcast feed via 2-track cameras. The laser scan data that GPRS collected was also used to plan for renovations at Gillette Stadium that are expected to be completed for the start of the upcoming season. The Famous Group has been working on high-profile sports events for more than a decade, including Super Bowls, NBA Finals, the NCAA Final Four, the NFL Draft, and many more. GPRS has partnered with them on many of these projects, providing the hyper-accurate data that has created the canvases for many of these mixed reality experiences. It's just another way we're intelligently visualizing the built world.